Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 7 MTS सफाई वाला post vacancy in integrated HQ of Army camp. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 12 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 1. 65 Assistant Commandant post vacancy in Indian Coast Guard. Eligibility 12th with Physics and Mathematics, Bachelor degree with Physics and Mathematics, Engineering degree. Age limit born between 1st July 1998 to 30 June 2002 for General Duty and Technical, born between 1st July 1998 to 30 June 2004 for Commercial Pilot. Last date for application 28 February 2022. Tradesman skilled post vacancy in Indian Navy. Eligibility 10th ITI with apprenticeship training of electrical fitter, electroplaster, engine fitter, foundry, pattern maker, ICE fitter, instrument fitter, machinist, millwright fitter, painter, plater, sheet metal worker, pipe fitter, refrigeration and air conditioning fitter, tailor, welder, radar fitter, radio fitter, rigger, shipwright, blacksmith, boiler fitter, civil works, computer fitter, electronics fitter, gyro fitter, machinery control fitter. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Apply between 22 February to 21 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 2. Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences vacancy for Library Assistant, Junior Engineering Assistant, LDC, Multitasking Staff Consultant. Eligibility 10th, 12th ITI, Graduation, Bachelor degree in Library Science and retired government officer for consultant post. Age limit 27 years for Library Assistant, Junior Engineering Assistant, LDC and 25 years for MTS and 65 years for consultant. Last date for application 15 March 2022. 14 Civilian Motor Driver post vacancy in Naval Ship Repair Yard, Port Blair. Eligibility 10th with driving license for heavy motor vehicle and motorcycle. 1 year driving experience in heavy motor vehicle. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 10 April 2022. Compassionate ground appointment in Office of the Director General, Assam, Shillong for 152 Rifleman General Duty, Havildar Clerk, Warrant Officer, Radio Mechanic, Havildar Operator, Radio and Line, Rifleman Armorer, Rifleman Lab Assistant, Rifleman Nursing Assistant, Rifleman Washerman, Rifleman Aya. Eligibility only one dependent family member of Assam Rifles personnel who were killed in action, dead while in service, discharged from service on medical ground and missing in service are eligible to apply. Educational qualification 10th, 12th. Age limit between 18 to 23 years for Rifleman General Duty, Rifleman Armorer, Havildar Lab Assistant, Rifleman Nursing Assistant, Rifleman Washerman. 18 to 25 years for Havildar Clerk, Warrant Officer, Radio Mechanic, Havildar Operator, Radio and Line, Rifleman Aya. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 20 March 2022. 21 post archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, cross country, handball, hockey, kho-kho and table tennis vacancy in Southeast Central Railway under sports quota. Eligibility 12th ITI, graduation with desired sports achievement. Age limit 18 to 25 years. Last date for application 5 March 2022. Application fees 500 and 250 for SC, ST, women, minority and EBC candidate. IIT Dhanbad vacancy for Deputy Superintending Engineer Electrical, Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, Junior Engineer Civil, Junior Engineer Electrical. Eligibility MTech in Electrical Engineering, BE or BTech in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Civil Engineering and Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Age limit maximum 50 years for Deputy Superintending Engineer Electrical, 40 years for Assistant Executive Engineer Civil, 35 years for Junior Engineer Civil and Junior Engineer Electrical. Last date for application 11 March 2022. Specialist Grade 2 post vacancy in Employee State Insurance Corporation for Kerala and Karnataka region. Specialty Cardiology, Endocrinology, Nephrology, Neurology, Oncology, Urology, Pediatric Surgery and Plastic Surgery. Age limit maximum 45 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 7 March 2022. 14 March 2022 for candidate belongs to Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh, Lahore and Spiti district and Pangi subdivision of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar. Salary as per pay level 12. Thanks for watching till the end.